Teams are the backbone of any successful organization. When individuals come together combining their unique skills and perspectives, they can achieve results far beyond what any one person could accomplish alone. In this video, we'll explore what makes a team truly effective and how you can build one from the ground up. Whether you're leading a small project group or managing a large department, understanding the dynamics of teamwork is essential. Let's start by uncovering why teams matter and how they drive innovation, productivity, and satisfaction in the workplace. What does it mean for a team to be effective? It's more than just meeting deadlines or hitting targets. Effective teams communicate openly, trust each other, and share a common purpose. They adapt to challenges and support one another, creating an environment where everyone can contribute their best. In this scene, we'll break down the core elements that define team effectiveness, setting the stage for practical strategies you can apply to your own group. Shared vision is the foundation of any great team. When everyone understands and believes in the team's goals, they're more motivated and aligned in their efforts. This common purpose acts as a guiding star, helping the group navigate challenges and stay focused on what matters most. In this scene, we'll discuss how to create and communicate a compelling vision that inspires commitment and drives collective action. Open communication is the lifeblood of effective teams. It ensures that ideas, feedback, and concerns are shared freely, preventing misunderstandings and building trust. Teams that communicate well are more agile, able to address issues quickly and adapt to change. In this segment, we'll look at practical ways to foster open dialogue, from regular check-ins to creating safe spaces for honest conversation. Trust and respect are essential ingredients for any high-performing team. When team members feel respected and know they can rely on each other, they're more likely to take risks, share ideas, and collaborate effectively. Building trust takes time, but it starts with small actions, keeping promises, listening actively, and valuing each person's contributions. Let's explore how to nurture trust and respect within your team. Effective team brings together a diverse set of skills and experiences. Diversity isn't just about background, it's about different ways of thinking, problem-solving, and approaching tasks. By leveraging each member's strengths, teams can tackle complex challenges and innovate more effectively. In this scene, we'll discuss how to identify and utilize the unique talents within your group. Clarity around roles and responsibilities helps teams function smoothly. When everyone knows what's expected of them, there's less confusion and overlap. This clarity allows members to focus on their tasks and support each other where needed. In this segment, we'll cover strategies for defining roles, setting expectations, and ensuring accountability within your team. Leadership plays a pivotal role in team effectiveness. A good leader sets the tone, models desired behaviors, and empowers others to succeed. Leadership isn't just about giving orders, it's about listening, guiding, and supporting the team. In this scene, we'll explore the qualities of effective leaders and how they can inspire their teams to reach new heights. In today's digital world, collaboration tools are essential for keeping teams connected and productive. From project management software to instant messaging apps, these tools streamline communication and help organize work. In this segment, we'll look at popular tools and best practices for integrating technology into your team's workflow. Team norms are the unwritten rules that guide how members interact and work together. Establishing clear norms helps prevent misunderstandings and ensures everyone is on the same page. These might include how decisions are made, how conflicts are resolved, or how feedback is given. In this scene, we'll discuss how to create and reinforce positive team norms. Conflict is inevitable in any group, but effective teams know how to handle it constructively. Addressing disagreements openly and respectfully can lead to better solutions and stronger relationships. In this segment, we'll explore techniques for resolving conflicts, from active listening to finding common ground, ensuring your team stays focused and united. Culture of feedback helps teams grow and improve continuously. Constructive feedback, given and received with respect, allows members to learn from mistakes and celebrate successes. In this scene, we'll discuss how to build a feedback-rich environment where everyone feels comfortable sharing insights and suggestions. Motivated teams are more engaged and productive. Recognizing individual and group achievements boosts morale and encourages continued effort. In this segment, we'll explore ways to keep your team motivated, from celebrating milestones to offering meaningful rewards. Great teams never stop learning. By encouraging ongoing development, you help members stay sharp and adaptable. This could mean formal training, sharing resources, or learning from each other's experiences. In this scene, we'll discuss strategies for fostering a culture of continuous learning within your team. Psychological safety means team members feel safe to speak up, ask questions, and make mistakes without fear of embarrassment or punishment. This environment encourages innovation and honest communication. In this segment, we'll explore how to create psychological safety so everyone feels valued and heard. Remote work is increasingly common, and managing virtual teams presents unique challenges. Effective communication, clear expectations, and the right tools are even more important when team members aren't in the same location. In this scene, we'll share tips for building strong, connected remote teams that thrive despite the distance. How teams make decisions can greatly impact their effectiveness. Whether it's consensus, majority vote, or leader-driven, having a clear process helps avoid confusion and ensures buy-in. In this segment, we'll discuss different decision-making methods and how to choose the right one for your team. Change is a constant in today's world, and teams must be able to adapt quickly. Effective teams embrace change, viewing it as an opportunity rather than a threat. In this scene, we'll look at strategies for managing transitions and helping your team stay resilient and flexible. How do you know if your team is effective? Setting clear metrics and regularly reviewing progress helps keep everyone accountable and focused. In this segment, we'll discuss ways to measure team performance, celebrate wins, and identify areas for improvement. Trust can be harder to build when teams work remotely, but it's just as important. Regular check-ins, transparency, and virtual team-building activities help bridge the gap. In this scene, we'll share practical tips for fostering trust in remote teams. Welcoming new team members effectively sets the tone for their experience and integration. A structured onboarding process helps newcomers understand their roles, the team's culture, and how they can contribute. In this segment, we'll cover best practices for onboarding and supporting new team members. Diverse teams bring a wealth of perspectives and ideas, leading to better problem-solving and innovation. Celebrating diversity means recognizing and valuing differences and creating an inclusive environment where everyone feels they belong. In this scene, we'll discuss the benefits of diversity and how to foster inclusion in your team. Every team faces challenges, including underperformance. Addressing issues early and constructively helps individuals improve and keeps the team on track. In this segment, we'll explore strategies for managing underperformance with empathy and accountability. Rituals and traditions help build team identity and strengthen bonds. Whether it's a weekly meeting, a shared lunch, or celebrating birthdays, these small rituals create a sense of belonging and continuity. In this scene, we'll look at how to establish meaningful team rituals. Empowering team members to take initiative leads to greater engagement and innovation. When people feel trusted to make decisions and try new ideas, the whole team benefits. In this segment, we'll discuss ways to encourage initiative and support creative thinking. Balancing workload is key to preventing burnout and maintaining productivity. Effective teams regularly check in on each other's capacity and redistribute tasks as needed. In this scene, we'll explore strategies for managing workload and supporting team well-being. Taking time to celebrate successes, big or small, boosts morale and reinforces positive behaviors. Recognition can be as simple as a thank you or as elaborate as a team event. In this segment, we'll discuss the importance of celebrating wins and how it strengthens team spirit. Failure is a natural part of growth. Effective teams view setbacks as opportunities to learn and improve. By analyzing what went wrong and making adjustments, teams become more resilient and prepared for future challenges. In this scene, we'll explore how to turn failures into valuable lessons. Maintaining high performance over time requires ongoing effort and attention. Regular check-ins, adapting to change, and supporting each other help teams stay strong. In this segment, we'll discuss strategies for sustaining performance and keeping your team energized. Building an effective team is a journey, not a one-time event. By focusing on communication, trust, diversity, and continuous improvement, you can create a group that not only achieves its goals but also enjoys the process. Remember, every team is unique, and the best practices we've discussed can be adapted to fit your specific needs. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of building effective teams. Here's to your team's success.